a friendship abroad. If you want to bring your family or people first time in the Philippines, it's better to rent a bike for a tour. Easier than the tour bus or any kind of tour, because they have access to roads and where you're going. Even traffic, they can go around, and they have a package, and this will be the places that you're going to, that you paid for your package. These are the places. They have a pedicab if you don't know, or if you want two of you. Yes. These are they call bum bike tour. The bike is made of bamboo ba yan? Is it matibay like the other kind?
Yes, ma'am. Coated siya para ma-prevent yung iba't ibang elements natin. And then this one, para makapag-joint yung mga bamboo parts, mga fiber.
Fiber siya.
Ito po yung mga bamboo builders natin. Yun yung mga gumagawa ng ating bike.
Matagal na ba to? Or when na-discover or nag-start kayo ng ganitong tour?
2010, ma'am. Then yung tours 2014.
So yung experience nyo dahil bamboo, parang tingin natin kaysa dun sa ibang materials, ano siya, yung guaranteed hindi ka yung matutumba o masisira. Yan, bamboo. Iba-ibang klaseng bike. Pwedeng may angkas, pwedeng wala.
During the big tower, destroyed during the Second World War. On the Japanese side, the prison cells, the Filipino soldiers. Inside.
So is this a wall area? A wall?
Wall. Intramuros. Look, Moralia means wall. In English, wall. Intramuros, inside the wall. Moros, wall also. This is the world city. Intramuros. Spanish
So
word.
the guns.
One of the Japanese.
Oh, the Japanese?
Yes. Japanese.
Yeah, well, I was in Corregidor.
The first invasion of this area, Chinese pirates, 1574. Second invasion, British, 1762 to 1762, New Year. Third, Spanish and American War. American, this is the first Spaniard, that was Independence Day, 1892. After the invasion, they came to beat the whole city, surrounding by wall, surrounding by water also.
Buti ka pala may mystery.
Punta tayo sa loob?
Dinanay kami ng tourism para magpaliwanag.
Anong punta tayo sa loob?
Loob na po ito. Outside the wall na po yan. Dito po, loob po ito.
Saan? Ano?
Yeah, we've been on the flag.
Really?
Retired already. This is my hobby, walking tour. No arthritis.
Oh, that's
Good heart
right.
also.
So, what can you say about Bongbong Marcos now?
No comment.
Nothing.
What can you say about Bongbong Marcos now? No comment.
You voted
No
for
comment.
him.
Nakaupo na siya eh.
See, you voted for him. See what happened.
Hindi
to the
naman kami,
Philippines.
hindi naman ako against sa Marcos. Paano naman ang katayuan ko? Kami yung utusan ni Marcos na katayin si ganito, katayin si gano'n. Sige. Ano ang masasabi mo?
Totoo pala yun?
Video. Mamaya may bumabalil na sa akin.
Wala. Don't say bad words.
Nakaupo yan, ayaw ko na.
Hindi, wag. Oy, Ate Lee.
I thought the
You wanna
Calesa
over
will
there?
go
Look at the
inside.
beautiful.
See the ladies, see the ladies.
Kaya masusunod.
Manong,
Ah,
akala ko pupunta sa loob ang Calesa.
loob na nga tayo eh. Sa
Alam
loob
na ba tayo? Di na loob nito?
Hindi.
Ah.
Napapaligiran tayo ng wall. Yung wall na yan kasi lapat ng kalsada.
Show you all of Manila.
Look at the area, Manila City Hall, this area.
We will just go down. Hintayin mo
Go
kami,
down.
Manong.
Wait for you.
Okay.
10 minutes, 15, okay. No problem.
Where are they?
Chinatown, oldest Chinatown in the world.
Oh? In the world?
Yeah. Tayo unang-una na nagkaroon. Chinatown.
Chinatown. Because there are so many Chinese in here.
Until the Japanese came.
Yeah. Before the Japanese. This is the oldest.
Passengers, sometimes, who is bad, Japanese or American? I say, not Japanese, not American. Now, who is bad? Korean.
Blame them. Blame the Korean.
Korean. That is bad. Tawa sila ng tawa kasi yung palang nanay nung isang foreigner, Koreana.
Sino?
Kasi American sila eh. American yung tanong sa akin. Sino ba ang bad? Sabi ko,
Ikaw ang nag-edit niyan?
Oo.
Talagang galing mo na.
Yung iba, wala na edit-edit, dire-diretso lang.
Hindi ko lang din alam yung mga vlog-vlog niya. Parang ka-post niya eh.
Oo.
Before.
Oo. Ay, anong sabi? Anong sabi? Galit ba siya sa akin?
Utang ko lang. Kasi
Oo.
nga naglalike ka kasi sa mga ano ni Josepina.
Ayun.
Alam mo daw naman yung istorya. Eh di syempre kasi si Ate Bel, siya yung may nag-alaga na.
Oo.
Nagtatampo yun.
Oo.
Magtatampo talaga yun.
Ay, hanggang ngayon, wala pa. Hindi pa ayos.
Ay, wala naman siyang, ewan ko kung nakikipag-usap kasi ano, hindi ko.
Ay, hindi ako nakikipag-usap. Hindi ako nakikipag-usap sa kanila. Wala man akong
Hindi,
usap.
I mean kay Ate Bel.
Ay,
Ngayon, hindi hindi na.
No, I don't have. San Agustin Church.